Hello, we are here in a Union Park in my city, and one of my friends is actually a graffiti artist. Of course, I'm gonna show you what is going on exactly here. So, let me take you with me for a little cruise. Using the A7 III with the kit lens, but I will change lenses and use a manual 24mm. I posted about it a few days ago in my Instagram. You can see it somewhere here, and I asked you if you want a review on this lens, and you guys said yes, so I'll make one. It's a 1976 lens f 2.8. I got it for $70 if I remember correctly. I think it's the best VFM 24mm that you can purchase, you know? I'm gonna show you some shots I took. We are already here for a couple of hours, and I think it's going great. Let me show you.
You think that I still owe you anything more than pain, more than the pouring rain? How can there be more to explain? No, I won't go down the drain, 'cause I was there too, always so true, always so blind.
We were born restless minds, incompatible different sides, so we had to read between the lines.
I don't think you're worth the trouble, trouble, trouble. I think it's over, then you make it double, double, double. Perhaps I should've known from the get-go. Some things are just too hard to let go. I don't think you're worth the trouble, trouble, trouble.
So, I think I'm gonna go full slow-mo.
I have to. Whooped it, bitch, I'm outside of some movie. Blue cheese, I swear I'm addicted to blue cheese. I gotta stick to this paper like blue sleep. Bitch, I'm by my chicken like it's a two-piece. You can have your bitch back, she a groupie. She just swallow all my kids in a two-seat. Swagged out, familiar, we bringing them gas out. I still got some racks stuffed in the trap house. Off the 42, I'm blowing her back out. I'm back on my bullshit, spin back with a full clip. They say I'm moving ruthless, and my shooters they shooting. I won't take they roof, Chris. I get the breeze, then it's adios. If I'm with your trees, then she give it though. When I see police, then we gang low. That's another piece, that's another zone. Ice in the VVs, now she down to get treachy. I got all this water on me like Fiji. Bitch, I'm posted up with hats and the sleazies. Smoking the Zaza, they go straight to the Mata. Then I'm up in the chopper, hitting the cha-cha.
We have good lighting right now, so we'll see what we can do. Bro, how do you feel about this piece?
It feels really great, man, to make some places of our city more beautiful and support young artists like Savas.
Yeah.
Always.
And how do you
νιώθω
feel?
πάρα πολύ όμορφα που βρίσκομαι σε αυτό το μέρος και γίνεται εδώ τα γραφίτι να πούμε τον Όβις.
Ovis? How do you feel, bro?
I'm not stoned yet, so I don't feel good.
Let me show you a little bit of this place, because it's truly beautiful. This place has a restaurant, and you can take your coffee if you want. Of course, it's closed right now. We are in quarantine. Here we have the upper side of the park. Here I'm on the other side again. Let me show you the view from here. It's the main street right there. Here is the statue of Philip right here. And now let's go to the other side. Here is the other side. Quite peaceful. You can walk here. Let's walk down again, and I'll show you the graffiti. all day. I'm gonna take a few shots from the final result, and I'm gonna wrap this video up. Thank you.